ABC Auto Repair, working, fixing a bunch of motors, transmissions, servicing what we can, and getting the cars back on the road fast, safe, and smooth. So right now we're going to be going into our office, and we're going to talk to the sales operation side of it, and service manager. Depender, you're going to really like him. Oh, he's on the phone. We have this like on-call sign, but he didn't turn it on. Typically, we know like when he's on the phone or whatever, but he's not, so we're gonna wait for a second. Okay, so Depender is now off the call. The people want to know is, what is your favorite car to work on and why?
Oh, talking about the favorite car is going to be the easiest car, and I'm going to have to go with Ford. Maybe like a Ford F-150 from like 2005. It's so simple to work on. Like even the alternator just right on the top. It's like calm tranquility. It's nice. Good stuff.
Nobody builds them better than Ford, or so they say. Well, let's find out the rest of the team, eh? So here we got a Ford that Depender just talked about, and great car to work on. And so what we have here, we have Val, our master tech. He's working on it. He's diagnosing the transmission, a transmission issue. And we're just going to ask him a quick interview. Hey, Val, what's your favorite car to work on and why?
It's Subaru. It's easy job, easy model working for.
Subarus. A lot of places don't like working on Subarus because the engines, the cylinder heads are on the side of the motor and not on the top. So that makes it very difficult. But for Val, a professional technician, he loves them.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. We're going to stop disturbing him so he can continue diagnosing the car. And over here, we have Vitaly, and he's working on one of a favorite vehicle, a Mercedes, but not just any kind of Mercedes. This is a workhorse Mercedes, a Mercedes Sprinter van. And you see them all over the road. Any contractor that wants to be fancy, a Mercedes van, that's what they're driving. So Vitaly over here is doing a transmission service, and to do a transmission service on one of these things with a transmission machine where it completely takes out all of the dirty oil and replaces it with clean, fresh transmission fluid, completely flushing it out. Most places will just take the pan off, drain about 5 quarts. We don't do that. We completely pump it out, all the fluid that's in there, and then refill it with fresh fluid. And so to get access into this Mercedes Sprinter, you got to remove this these radiator fans so you can connect to the front there, and you're able to do that. Back to the questions we're asking. Vitaly, what is your favorite car to work on and why?
Toyota Corolla. We have all parts, and it's easy.
We're going to let him continue servicing this Mercedes Sprinter, and we'll move on. So bring your vehicles in here, and then we'll be taking care of them right here with ABC Auto Repair German division, imports, domestics, and whatever car you got. We got the best products and services in the market to get you to 300,000 miles or more. So schedule your car today.